iOS 18.3 settings to turn off now. So firstly, open settings on your device. In settings, you will land to this page. Now go to the general option. Inside general, click on software update and make sure you have updated to iOS 18.3.1. Now go back to your previous page. Select Apple Intelligence and Siri. At the top, you will see the option Apple Intelligence. Make sure to turn off this option. Now scroll down and select the option Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the very bottom and click on Apple Intelligence Report. Provide Face ID and click on Report Duration. After you do that, select Off. Now go back and at the bottom, select Stolen Device Protection. Make sure that this option is also turned off. In settings, go to the search bar on the very top and search for Safari. Scroll down to the very bottom. Here you will see the option Require Face ID to unlock private browsing. Make sure that this option is turned off. Again, go to General. Inside General, scroll down and select the option Background App Refresh. At the top, click on the option and set it to off. And now finally, give your device a quick restart. That's all for today. Thank you.